Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to log out on Skyscanner. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to log out on Skyscanner. Maybe because you're having some issues in your account, so you just want to log out and log in again so that your problem could be fixed. Or maybe you have another account, so you want to switch to that one, or there could be any other reason for you to get log out of your account. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can get log out on Skyscanner. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the Skyscanner app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you also have created your account on it and also logged in with your account, because if you're not logged in, then you couldn't log out. So you have to keep that in mind. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. First, at the top, you will read the title of the app, and there you will see different options almost all over the screen. Right now, we are into the home section, therefore, you could see different things. Other than that, at bottom, we have two more options. The middle option is for trips. Once you tap on it, and if you have planned any trips, they will appear here, or you can plan trips with the help of that option. And this option is for profile. Once you tap on it, you will get into your profile, and there you will find different options. As you can see at the top, it is written profile. That means we're at the right place. You can also see we have a profile icon at the right top side of the screen, which is on the orange color. Once you tap onto that one, you will get into further details of your account. Once you get here, you will see different options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So here we have this last option which says log out. Once you tap on it, it will ask you that if you really want to log out or not. So if you want to, you can log out. Here you don't have to worry about your personal information and data that is in your account if it get lost or not. So don't worry, your data will be saved. Once you log out, your data will be in your account, and once you log in again, you will get back everything which is in your account. Nothing will be lost and nothing will be shared with any other person. Your account will be saved and you can get back. So once you click on log out, you immediately gets log out. And now if you want to get back there, you will see that the profile icon has been gone and now nothing is in your account. That means this app doesn't have any account right now. So if you want to again get back to your account, simply click on this option login, enter your personal information that you used when you created your account, and you can get back access to your account. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can get log out on Skyscanner. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.